Hey, I'm Joe and I welcome you to my channel, the channel where you learn how to cook healthy and delicious food, easy and very fast. This is a surprise video in which I will share a carrot cake recipe that belongs to Alina, owner of mamamag.ro. You should check her website as it's full of valuable information and delicious recipes. About the carrot cake, the ingredients are as following: 10 eggs, I separated the yolk from the white, 2 carrots, the juice of half of an orange, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, some slices of orange to decorate the cake with, 2 apples, 3 bananas, 400 grams of mascarpone, 300 grams of flour, 1 vanilla pod, and regarding the tools, you will need 2 dishes same size. I will use some with the diameter of 25 centimeters, 1 grater and 1 mixer. Here it goes. Start by mixing the white eggs till you get a hard white foam. Continue by adding the yolk eggs one by one to the mixed white eggs. When you're done with the white eggs and the yolk eggs, start adding the flour gradually. Split the batter in 2 equal parts. And move to the fruits and vegetables part. Well, the banana part is piece of cake, as they say. You just need to smash it. The harder part is the one with the carrots and apples. Grate the carrots and the apples on a grater. Now you need to squeeze them till they're out of juice. I'll use a colander and I'll press them with a spoon. Add the cinnamon to the squeezed carrots and apples and mix these ingredients. Going back to the initial batter that we split in 2, add the smashed bananas to one batter and mix them both. Then the apples and the carrots to the other batter. Also mix properly. Now add these 2 batters in the trays that I was mentioning at the beginning. The batter with the apples and the carrots, and the batter with the bananas, and put them in the oven at 180 Celsius degrees for 30-40 minutes. I'll set the timer for 30 minutes and I'll check how the pies are at that moment. Meantime, I will take care of the creamy part. I will mix the mascarpone with the orange juice and also the vanilla pod. Mix everything well. And I'll split this batter into not equal parts. 1/3 for decoration and 2/3 for assembling the cakes in the oven. 30 minutes are up. Let's see how they look and if they pass the toothpick test. First one, the one with the carrots, definitely passes the toothpick test. And second one, the one with the bananas, yes, these 2. Okay, I'll stop the oven now and get them out of here. Now I will just leave them for 10 minutes to cool down. Then I'll get them out of these dishes. 10 minutes are up. I'll try to get each cake out of the tray and put it on a plate. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Almost perfect. And now the second part. 1, 2, and 3. It's dropping, and it's done. Now what I'm going to do is cut these two parts in 2 layers each. I will put each layer on a different plate. And now, as you can all imagine, I'll have one top of cake, one top of cream, another top of cake, another top of cream. Let's get going. And the last part. You decorate it with that 1/3 of creamy part that you saved. What you can also do is decorate the carrot cake with some fruits. Use any fruits you like. I'll just go on Alina's hands and decorate it with some slices of orange. Just let your imagination go wild. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also visit mamamag.ro website. Take care. Bye.